It's time to create our new React app. So let's see what we have here first, right? So I don't have any. I mean, my new React project I just removed. Then we're gonna have to create our new React app, my first React app. We're gonna have to wait. Once we have our project created, we have a whole bunch of instructions here. What we can do to start our new project, we already talked about this, and we're gonna talk about what we have inside our folder and about this npm start. First of all, we're gonna link our first React app. What we have here, we have source, we have two other folders here, public and node models, and about this we're gonna talk about this later. This is a quick tutorial. Since it's a quick tutorial, we're gonna have to be quick, right? And first we have the app, which is a class which extends component. Everything's a sort of component in React, and basically we have HTML inside JavaScript code. This is JSX. We call this JSX, right? And this is the very important thing to understand right now. And we're not gonna talk about this right now. I have only to show you the code that we have when we create a new React app. And the very first thing we're gonna do right now is npm start. Oops. No such file directory. Oh, yes, we have to go under our project folder. Then we have to npm start our first React app project. Let's see what's gonna happen. Oh, what we have here, to get started, edit a source /app.js and save to reload. All right, guys, so we have something. Okay, welcome to React. Oh, let's change this. What about hello world? Hello world. Let's put like a face smile here. To get started, I'm not gonna change this, doesn't matter. I just change this is enough, and let's see what we're gonna have here. Hello world, and that's it, guys. See you in the next